disagree with that. The reason is this is a habit to develop. It's not a magic or a switch you will turn on the day of your test and you will start doing this. So you have to develop this habit. 99.99% maybe you don't need that, but imagine 1% you're not in the habit, you are by the school and kids are around and you're just checking your 2 points and you're moving off. So in that scenario it can be a bit dangerous. So that's why we should follow this 6 point rule or 6 point procedure. The only thing you need to be careful about doing this, that you're not doing it like a robotic move. So like doing really slow, like you have seen some videos online, people doing that. It has to be a bit natural and a bit quicker. You're not doing it for the sake of doing it. You are actually scanning it. Scanning for any movement, any pedestrian, cyclist, children, pets, any moving object. So you're going to make sure you are actually scanning it, all the points. So your first point is over your left shoulder through your left blind spot. You can look through the rear passenger windows. Make sure you're moving your head nicely. Left, 1 point. Your second point is your left wing mirror. You look there. Your third point, your interior mirror. You look through the rear window. Your fourth point is your front windscreen. You look ahead if anybody is reversing out the driveway or coming into the driveway. Then fifth point is your right wing mirror. And sixth point is over your right shoulder blind spot. Make sure you look behind this pillar and in front. So better to look there and there. Once you have done your 6 point check, you are checking, is it safe to signal? How do we move? How do we let people know we're moving off? By signaling. So we're going to make sure, is it safe to signal? Why is it safe and why not it will be safe? When you see any car coming behind, few cars, maybe 3, 4, 5 cars, do not signal. Wait for them. How long they're going to take to pass? Only few seconds. But if you put signal on, but you're not moving off, you are becoming a hazard for them because they will be thinking that you have a signal on and you might move off any moment. And that's where you become a hazard. So any hazard is a bad thing. So you're going to make sure when you are checking your mirror, if there are few cars coming, wait before you signal. So once you have signal right, now it's time to release handbrake or parking brake to move off. So after you release your handbrake, you're going to do a final check over your right blind spot before you stare out. And as you're staring out,